Parameter adjustment. Select automatic mode. Select gender and age. Select height and treatment area. Enter the parameter interface. According to the need to use the handle, the corresponding handle number will be lit. If you only need to use 2 handles, click the handle number that does not need to be used to turn gray. Adjust the corresponding number of magnetic vibration energy. Recommended 40% to 70%. RF energy adjustment. Set the energy of the handle not used to 0. The handle is in direct contact with the skin. 20% to 30 RF energy is recommended. Through the sweatshirt or thin clothes or towel operation 30 to 40%. Time. Default 30 minutes. Tap the start button to start working. Manual mode will correspond to the handle number lit. Default 30 minutes. F1, F2, F3 frequency adjustment. The working rule is F1, F2, F3, 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 F2, F1 cycle. Each frequency working 7 seconds. Vibration energy. Recommended 40% to 70%. RF energy adjustment. Set the energy of the handle not used to 0. RF energy can be adjusted to suit. Tap the start button to start working. Experiencers lie flat on their backs in a relaxed position. Avoid the ribs on both sides. Secure the handles to the abdomen with straps. Tap Start. When the time is up, remove the handle and undo the straps. Place the curved handles under the legs. The curved side is in contact with the back leg. Tap Start. Front leg tightening and contouring operates the same.